Panalakaran ng City of San Fernando Councilor Reden Halili, kailangan pa mo rin ing matigik apa mag-background check kareng security guards ami di destino kareng establishmento king syudad. Antimong pamuntok ning Public Order and Safety Committee ning Sangguniang Panlunsod, buri na kanuna maging metong yang takbang iti kontra krimen, lakwas ing serye ning insidente ning pamanako. Buri na kanong linawan ng konsehal na bistama na inemitaglusing mandatory hiring of security guards ordinance, kailangang siguraduan da pamurin reng security agencies na dengkarelang security guards kwalipikado la.
Balada kasi kayong ordinansa kung balada kasi ding business sector, ilang mong buri kong puntiryan or pagsabihan mayap or irregulate. Aliwa, even the security companies. Kasi the security companies ngayon, basta mo ating deployment, ating mag-hire karela without the proper training, without the proper uniform, the proper equipment, without complying with the minimum requirements by the SOSIA, they will deploy a security guard.
At nakanong kalagwang misulod lang uniforme deti oneng questionable pa mo rin para king opisyal nung tutulang di nalan reti king training at tunela rin karelang lisensya.
Papansinan nyo na security guard. Ngeni. Ela qualified security guard. Kasi paniwala ko lang naman training. Paniwala ko, EDABALI protocol nung makanano yung mag-security guard. So, at least with this public hearing, I was able to remind the security agency na they should comply with the minimum requirements when deploying security guard.
Dapat mo kanong matigik ing koordinasyon pilatanan ning Business Processing and Licensing Division ning City Government ampo ning Supervisory Office for the Security and Investigation Agencies o SOSIA suking lalam na ning kapanibalanan ning PNP.
It is an SOP for the business license and the police na to inspect random the establishments who hired a security guard. We will inspect if the security guards comply with the minimum requirements of the SOSIA.
Samantala, pakisabi na naman Mayap Salvador Carino, pamuntok na ning Business License and Permit Division ning syudad, ang makiadwangan niya karela ing PNP SOSIA para king pa mag-inspection daring gwardya kareng establishment king San Fernando.
Actually, sir, ang lead agency talaga king pamag-monitor daring compliance daring security guards is the PNP SOSIA. Yung karelang local counterpart nung kung magkamali is the RCSU Regional Office. Ila pong ating legal mandate and guidelines to check in compliance daring establishments or ning karelang makapost a guards. And they are also the one to impose the penalties pag po patunayan na atin lang violations. The business license can imagine part me po siguro is to coordinate with them and help them to locate these postings po daring security guards king City of San Fernando. For the pilang times na may committee hearing kami, we are trying to invite sana the SOSIA pero po dahil ala pang dintang representative, ala pa pong final or nung makananuya ay maging coordination king implementation na ning karelang batas.
Ako yung kayong talasuyo ay Paulo G. Santos, ating pusong makabalen.